Hi lovely people, it's me Regina, and if you are new here, I like to share my love for makeup, and I also like to talk about my journey as a mom. Today I'll be showing you 4 different eyeshadow looks that really go well with wing liners. And if you haven't heard yet, this is part 3 of my wing liner series, and it is the final one. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check out part 1 and part 2 of my wing liner series, and you can find that in the link down below. Now let's get started. Welcome to my kitchen.
Bye.
We're not cooking up food, but we are cooking something up. First up is the classic wing look. Taking a light brown shadow and applying it a tad bit above our crease to give a lift, then taking a clean brush to blend it out really well. Goal here is to give your eyes dimension while giving the limelight to the classic wing liner. Now I'm taking 2 light shades and applying it on the inner part of my lids and blending it outwards. Now using my contact lens solution, I'm soaking a small brush to dampen it, and taking a pearly pink shadow and applying it on the inner corners to give my eyes a pop. Make sure to blend out harsh lines. Taking a black liquid liner of your choice and focus on lining your eyelids and make sure to get in between the hairs. Once that's done, start creating your wing. Now I like mine to have a slight curve since that flatters the shape of my eyes. Now add your favorite mascara. And here I'm using a soft pink blush and applying it a little bit above the apples of my cheek. And now to finish off, I'm using 2 lipstick shades. First is a deep red and second is a fuchsia-like color. And here it is, the classic wing, being the focal point of this look. New spot. Here we got the Korean-inspired look. Take a peachy beige shadow and apply it all over your lids and make sure to blend. Now here I'm using a medium orangey shadow and applying it on my lids and not going beyond my crease, using a circular motion. Now taking a shimmery orange-red shadow and applying it close to my lashes and still using a circular motion. Then, on the outer corner, I am creating a mild wing with the shadow. Again, make sure to blend. I'm using a maroonish shadow and lightly applying it on the bottom lash line, starting from the middle of my eye, going outwards. Using a cotton swab to blend out the harsh lines. Peachy shade. I'm applying it from the inner corner going outwards on the bottom lash line. Taking my brown eye pencil, I am filling in my upper lash line and taking a flat brush to blend it out. Don't create a wing just yet. Thank you. Got my brown liquid liner from Etude, and now we add our wing. Trick here is to draw straight with a minimal curve on your wing and make sure we keep it thin. Get your mascara on, girl. Also on the bottom lashes, focusing on the center of your eye to open them up. Cheek tint for a cute glow. Using these supernatural lashes on the outer corner of your eyes, giving you a natural look with an oomph. See the difference? And now we top it off with a pink lip. And done! A look you can absolutely wear daily. 안녕! Let's get colorful with this blue faded look. I'm using an orange shadow, focusing on my crease and blending it out all over my lids. Now I have a light blue tone shadow and applying it on the inner part of my lids, creating a cut crease shape using the shadow. I have a small brush here, added contact lens solution, and here I'm using this bright blue shadow, and this will serve as my wing liner. I'm creating a wing longer and thicker than usual and connecting it to the lash line and then going further till I line my whole lid. Taking a shimmery deep blue shadow, I will create a fade from the wing that will fade inwards to the middle of my eye. Hope I explained it well. Using a gold and turquoise shadow together, I'm applying it on the bottom lash line. Now take an eyeliner of your choice and fill in your upper lash line as thin and clean as you can. Add a wing on the blue wing, but making sure to keep it thin so that it won't cover the blue shadow. Got a pearly peachy shadow and using it on the inner corners to brighten up the eyes. And you know the drill with the mascara. Got these for my sister when she went to Japan. These are Dolly Wink lashes in number 2. And there you go. Cheese. Now with the trendy fox eye, take a light brown shadow and apply it on your crease. Now take a flat brush and dark brown shadow to create a line as the wing. And if you notice, it's almost touching the end of my eyebrow. Now we blend upwards. Use an orange-brown shadow and use it to build from the corner of your eye and the wing. Take a light beige shadow and apply it on the inner part of your lid. Use a brown liquid liner to define the wing that we created at the beginning. Now, after this, we curl your lashes to make the next step easier. Now, with your lash hairs out of the way, you can now take a brown liner to fill in the gaps on your lash line. To achieve the foxy look, add the tiniest line on the inner corner of your eye, following the direction of the curve from your eyes. I wanted to deepen the outer corner here, so I'm using a brown shadow. Now grab your shimmers and apply it on the middle of your lids, blending outwards. Mascara time! Using Benefit's Highbrow, I'm going to highlight underneath my brows to give the illusion of lid space. Now with the lashes, I'm going to apply it a bit further out than my eyes to widen the appearance. Just to be extra, I'm taking a light reddish brown shadow to extend my wing even further. Now, using Wet n Wild's Mega Glow to highlight my life. And bam! This is my favorite look so far this year. Now, did you enjoy those looks? Please comment down below what you like best, and if you can, or if you've tried any of these looks, please do post them and tag me in socials. I would definitely love to see that. This is the last part of my wing liner series, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This is very close to my heart because it's my obsession, and I am so glad that I get to share it with everyone. And so if you haven't yet, please check the links down below for part 1 and part 2. Now stay tuned for more videos to come, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more from me. And stay safe, be well, be healthy, and more love to the world. Bye!